Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add Apple TV remote shortcut to your control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Control Center, and then at More Control section you can easily find that Apple TV remote shortcut, and all you have to do in order to add it to the control center is just hit at that plus sign next to shortcut's name. That moves this shortcut to included control section, and that means that Apple TV remote shortcut is already at the control center. You can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up control center. As you can see, this shortcut is already here. You can tap on that to open up Apple TV remote, and also, right from here, you can change the order of shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down. In that way, I can place it at the very first position, and it also changes the order at the control center. As you can see, Apple TV remote shortcut has also been moved to the very first position at the control center. Also, from here, you can easily remove shortcuts from the control center simply by tapping at that minus sign and hitting at Remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.